How do I concatenate a Boolean to a string in Python? I want to accomplish the following and have my var's value be the answer is true. I'm pretty sure you can do this in Java.
Or Python does not do implicit casting, as implicit casting can mask critical logic errors. Just cast answer to a string itself to get its string representation, true, or use string formatting like so. Note that answer must be set to true, capitalization is important.
The recommended way is to let str.format handle the casting, docs. Methods with %s substitution may be deprecated eventually, see PEP 3101. In Python 3.6+ you may use literal string interpolation.
Using the so-called f-strings. Then if I do, I will get. I like f-strings because one does not have to worry about the order in which the variables will appear in the printed text, which helps in case one has multiple variables to be printed as strings.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.